Prashant Kishore has finally broken his silence after the Bihar elections. And what he said has shocked everyone. He says, I did not fail because my political calculations were wrong. I failed because the NDA, especially JDU, played an unfair game. And then he drops the big bomb. According to PK, the government used the Jivika Women's Scheme, an old World Bank supported program that usually gives 10,000 to 30,000 as rolling funds to women's group. PK says this scheme, which has existed for years, was used very strategically during the election. Women were gathered in huge meetings, and right before voting, a new version of the scheme, Mukhyamantri Mahila Yojana, was suddenly pushed out. Under this updated rollout, money was directly transferred over 1 crore women with amounts roughly between 10,000 and 20,000 each. But the real twist, PK says, is in the messaging. As per the official scheme documents, the remaining amount of the scheme is meant only for selected women. But PK claims the ruling party used this moment to create a strong public impression that every woman in Bihar would get this money either now or definitely after the elections. According to him, this changed the entire mood. Then he made the most explosive allegation. PK says this massive money push was not only from the state bank, but a big part came from the World Bank funds inside the Jivika system. He claims around 14,000 crore came from the World Bank side and 40,000 crore was allegedly spent from other public and state funds from June until election day. PK says this amount is massive. Women believed the promise, but they were misled because this was not welfare, it was vote buying dressed up as a development scheme. The government has rejected all allegations. They say everything was routine welfare work, payments were scheduled long before elections, and absolutely nothing was misled. And now Bihar is watching a classic political thriller, accusations on one side, denials on the other, and somewhere in the middle, the truth is quietly hiding. So, who is right? Who is wrong? That's the mystery everyone is waiting to see. So stay tuned and subscribe to File in Media for more interesting political stories.